On 18th December 2020, MLA and MDC of NONGKREM constituency and also Chairman of the State Planning Board, SHRI Lambor Malngiang, inaugurated the community hall at Laitkor. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, SHRI Lambor Malngiang stated that the project was initiated in 2016 by former minister and ex-chief executive member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, late H.S. SHYLLA, while he was the then MDC of NONGKREM constituency. The project's sanction of Rs 15 lakhs was implemented by the KHADC under the Special Assistance Scheme 2015-2016. Lambor Malngiang also informed that he had once again initiated the community hall's completion under the Under-Excluded Area Scheme 2018-2019 with a sanction of another 10 lakh of rupees.
House level manager and dream. Ladang Paglan. So to that, but now mahagani ng more. Mga tuloy ko mga kinikipaya ano yan. Ito yan nga pala ayos. Dan ibaling sila hagani ng more. What commission na yung sumigaran at niya. Kalau saya itu suruh pada apa no pasien. Kalau kita tahu yang ini kan biasa aja kui komisen nasional penting. Mereka masuk kalau pusing. Yang terjadi itu adalah kita tentang pasar napo analisa. Kita mengikmat ibuan hati dengan yung what penjabo. Pada dibeli apa? Atau pada dibeli usul, mana jebo ini? Atau anda orang yang boleh pop, tentang wat pendidikan, makasih juga pada ini apa?
While expressing his contentment at the completion of the project, he further said that the hall would serve as a means of generating income for the Dorbar Shillong. He also informed that other schemes would be rolled out towards the welfare of the entire community in the area. By Lambor Malngiang. Others who spoke on the occasion were Shri P.T. Pasa, BDO of Milim CNRD Block, Srimati Sweet C. Semyong, daughter of late H.S. SHYLLA, Paim Aina Manik Same, acting Same of Hima Malim, and Shri Leonard Arun Mauri, Chairman Laitkor Dorbar Pilun. The program was attended by the Rangba Shnong, Secretary Shnong, Rangba Dong, Seng Samla and Seng Kanthai Laitkor Pilun, and members of the Laitkor Sports Club.